In Kwara State, charcoal stakeholders and the National Association of Charcoal Producers, Dealers, Exporters and Reforestation of Nigeria, NACDIN, have taken a big step towards fighting deforestation. On Saturday, June 13th, 5,000 Melina seedlings were planted alongside the Sabongida Jeba axis in Moro local government area. Atmosphere at the planting site was one of determination and teamwork. Under the coordination of Harmony Charcoal Producers and Marketers Association, charcoal producers, community leaders and officials from the Kwara State Ministry of Environment planted 5,000 Melina seedlings across degraded lands amid at restoring forest cover and supporting sustainable charcoal production. The national leadership of NACDIN attended the exercise, led by President Edu Babatunde and the national women leader, Mrs. Favor, alongside members of the national executive and local stakeholders. The Forestry Department of the State Ministry of Environment supervised the exercise, reinforcing public-private collaboration on forest management. Organizers described the exercise as a major success, praising the high level of participation and collaboration. They say the 5,000 seedlings will contribute to rebuilding forest resources, protecting livelihoods that depend on forestry, and promoting a greener future for the region. Key figures acknowledged for their roles include Alhaji Isa Soliu Alamu and the Forestry Directorate, leadership of the Harmony Charcoal Producers and Marketers Association, and communities chiefs along the Sabongida Jeba axis. The association has urged charcoal producers nationwide to emulate Kwara's example with structured afforestation programs. A strong showing from industry and government working together. The National Association said afforestation is essential for the long-term sustainability of Nigeria's charcoal industry and is calling for similar programs across the country.